this is a problem related to the rain umbrella problem. Here in this case, a man will be traveling from one direction. Let that man velocity be Vm. For him, if the rain falls, it appears to be falling vertically. Okay, so the velocity with respect to man is going to be the velocity of the rain with respect to man, Vrm. Let it be Vrm. And if he is holding an umbrella, he should hold an umbrella at an angle theta. Okay, this is with respect to the vertical, which is rain falling, and the velocity with which he should, or the rain hits with respect to the ground, is given by V rain with respect to the ground. So they will be asking you at what angle he should hold the umbrella. Okay, at what angle they should hold, the man should hold the umbrella so that he is not hit by the rain. So from this, here we can find it out that tan theta will always give you velocity of the man by the velocity of the rain with respect to the man. Okay, so if you want to find out like what is the relative velocity of the rain with respect to man, this is given by tan theta. Suppose if you want to find what is the velocity of the rain with respect to the ground, then that is given by sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, we know, velocity of the man who is going on the road by velocity of the rain with respect to the ground. Velocity of the rain with respect to the ground is given by velocity of the man by sin theta. Okay, now let us take an example. Here let us consider the angle at which, okay, the angle at which he holds umbrella is 60 degrees. Okay, and they are asking us to find what is the velocity of the rain with respect to the man when velocity of the man moving on the ground is 20 kilometers per hour, kmph. Okay, so they are asking us to find Vrm, that is velocity of the rain with respect to man is given by, we know, tan theta is equal to velocity of the man by velocity of the rain with respect to the man, which is nothing but velocity of the rain by velocity of the man, we know, 20 kilometers per hour by tan 60. Okay, so which is nothing but 20 by tan 60 is always root 3. So this is kilometer per hour, or you can take per second. So the mostly the questions will be on what is the velocity of the rain with respect to the man if theta is given, or else they will be asking you to find at what angle the theta should be given velocity of the rain with respect to ground, or velocity of the rain with respect to the man or ground. So these are the questions which will be asked in rain umbrella problem. Thank you.